Okay, now we're going to prepare some kluchi. Kluchi. Which is potatoes. What is it? Potatoes and...
It's a special kind of dish. Potatoes here in this part of Afghanistan are really in season. So it's potatoes with chicken. We just bought chicken fresh from the market. So.
Yeah, very fresh.
Very fresh.
I didn't video the chicken part, but it's very fresh. So we're here. I actually no idea about this process.
How is the village?
Beautiful. The weather is perfect.
And right now you're going to cook the kuluchi.
Kuluchi! Look at the mountains, are beautiful. Oh, that's where all the racket's been coming from today.
Other than you.
Is it a friendly donkey? I don't know if it's friendly or not. I've lost a guide. See, they have on the ground here, all the irrigation here, in between the potato fields. Jump over there. Wow, it's absolutely gorgeous here. Look at the mountains. I am so speechless. I'm absolutely speechless at these mountains. I don't know what these kids are doing. I think they've got a pile of potatoes over there. I'm trying to walk through the grass here, and there's like, for watering the potatoes, there's like irrigation channels everywhere. We're trying to navigate through this. I still can't believe where I am. It's surreal. When you see it is, isn't it? It's just surreal. And these mountains just look like from another planet. All the potatoes with the natural irrigation system. Oh, they have a fire going over here. Oh. Oh, wow. Salam alaikum. Salam alaikum.
Guys,
Wow.
it is locally and the time is kuluchi is now because of the potato. And potato, some people they have many, they put chicken.
So how is it made? What's
So
inside
right
it?
now, fire, and he got,
So what's in the fire? Just the fire
yeah, just the fire.
right
It's a
now?
fire so far.
Yeah.
So he builds it with mud on the
Yeah, with mud.
outside, and
so
then
because of that we call kuluchi. Mud is kuluch in Persian.
oh, mud is kluch, kluch,
Kuluch.
kluch. He'll put these sticks in until it gets really hot,
Yep.
and then
It should get very hot because to cook the potato and chicken.
so you'll wrap the potato in foil.
When we finish the fire, and then we open in the upper side of the kuluchi and put the chicken and put the potato and then
everything is
close it.
Ah.
And after that we'll go to the village and see the family, maybe some tea, and then 1 hour or maybe 40
It'll be
minutes he will
cooked.
cook.
Oh, amazing.
Yeah, and
Wow.
then we'll come back to open and we'll eat.
Is he your friend?
Yes, he's living.
Ah.
He live in this village.
So there you go, kluchi.
Yeah, can I start job, man?
Look at this little fella here. Here's the chicken that we bought at the market earlier.
Oh, wet.
I'm not sure when the potatoes come in. Wow, that's a lot of garlic and masala mix. Where do the potatoes go?
Sorry?
The potatoes go in here too?
No, we don't put the potato here.
Oh,
Potato in the fire. And
the little kid just came and dropped some more potatoes. Different kinds of potatoes. Just like we have. So he's wrapping the chicken up into parcels. And here's some more kluchi. Chicken.
Just kuluk, right?
Kluch. Kluch.
Kuluchi.
Kluch.
Yeah, it's
Kluch. And children. So it's quite surreal. I can't even believe I'm here, like in the middle of the woods here. They're wrapping chicken up down here, and he's lighting the fire. The kids just came with some more potatoes from the potato field. I can't wait to eat it. I'm actually starving.
Jak kaçıyor? Çi diğer vardır, kuluk diğer vardır.
Tomare ni to mesha. Sabr.
Pardon. در بغلش پرتو.
من شبکه ما بغلاس رو
بله.
In goes the chicken.
نه تست پرتو.
نشون.
پرتو چیز نمیشه پرتو دیگه شه
جورمش بيقول لوب شو خلف ما بيله بيقول لوب
مره پش
لا لوب
سبک سلک یاد شما کجا یاد داره او سلکو
I guess it's supposed to collapse a bit. Whoa. Jesus. Oh, I wasn't expecting that. Wow, they really smash it in there. And there's the chicken and potatoes smacked into the ground. I've never seen it cooked like this before. It's packed in tight. I have never seen chicken. I've never seen anything cooked this way before. It's basically, it was a roaring fire and now it's all just smacked and compressed into the ground. And I guess it's just going to cook slowly for the next hour. It's a bit dusty. So it will be ready in 1 hour and a half. Now we're off to the village to see what the village brings.
How was it?
And then back for dinner. Now we've got to jump over. It's deep.
No. Please give me your.
Ugh.
Yeah. Come please.
Come on, Jay. Wow, they have a very strong. Does it rain a lot? Is this from rain?
No, it is from irrigation channel.
How the hell do I get over? Come on, Jay, jump! Just walking to the village here, and looks like somebody else is making kluchi. Cooking potatoes. Hello, Assalamu alaikum.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
You're making potatoes?
Yes?
Yes? Kluchi.
Hello, yeah.
Kluchi. Kluchi.
No.
Enjoy. Nice to meet you. Oh.
Name of
Ah.
yeah. He's telling you.
Oh, she's telling me her father's name. Ah. So here we are at this village. Wow. Look what you see every day out here. Amazing. What's the name of the village?
Sumora.
Sumora. This village. Hello. Salam alaikum. Is that good thumb?
Son of my daughter. My sister.
Oh, really?
And he's his father.
Oh. Salam alaikum. Salam alaikum.
She's my sister.
Oh, that's your sister?
Yeah,
Oh. Wow. This is surreal. Wow. Salam alaikum. Hello, how are you?
she's her daughter.
Her daughter? How old is she?
The young one. 14.
Oh. Hello. Wow.
And it is very local.
This is a
It is
cookie.
50 years ago. So they put the cows, the animals in this place. And,
Oh, the cows, yes.
And during the Civil War,
Uh-huh.
40 years ago,
Yeah.
so the Hazara people come from other villages and stay here because of
Oh.
killing.
They would
And
hide in there?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
And put the door locked. And
Oh, I
also my
see.
aunt has a gun and slept here.
Really?
And right now
She was
he's
a guard?
died. Yeah, she was a guard at that time.
Hello. Salam alaikum.
And these people are very poor,
Right.
and you see the life. So
Yeah.
because they couldn't stay in they can't stay in the Mazar city or maybe Kabul or other provinces because they can't work.
Right.
They don't have knowledge.
So they basically just live off the land?
Yeah, yes, sure.
Salam alaikum. Where?
In the mountain, they bring for the fire.
It's all like lint for
Yeah,
fire, which they can
because there is no gas, they don't have money to
Wow.
buy.
Is it like moss or something? Ow! Jesus, it's prickly. I don't know what this is. I was expecting it to be soft like moss, but it's definitely, it's not. So,
looks like this. Super spiky.
yeah, I just pricked myself.
But it's super dry, so it makes really good
Yeah.
filing.
So for 5 hours they'll go walk and 5 hours back.
Yep.
by donkey.
by donkey, bringing this here to store it for the winter.
Yeah, winter.
Yeah. Wow. Unbelievable. Here's another son just came back with 2 goats. Ah, salam. Oh, bless. She's making tea.
She's preparing the
Tea.
for us.
Ah,
Yeah, they don't have the gas.
yes. So she cooks on the
So,
fire.
yeah, and also they cook here
Right.
the lunch, dinner.
Wow.
This is the room.
Okay. Oh, look at these little faces here. So this is just a social room,
Yeah.
literally in a cave.
My sister have just this room.
This is really.
Yeah.
How many children? She has 3 children, yeah?
No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 children.
5 children all inside.
They sleep in here.
Yeah, they sleeping here.
Wow.
And also that place put some materials.
And also
The clothes.
it gets so cold here, so being in one
Yeah.
room is better.
Yeah, during the summer, spring it's good. Huh? And during the winter it's hot.
Ah,
Yeah, because it's very
it's close.
it's mountain.
Wow.
It's cave.
So everybody sleeps in here.
Yeah, like sleeping together, they save
Yeah.
also a lot of fire
And
stuff.
also there is no electricity, just they use from solar.
Wow. Oh, she's made tea for
Last
us.
night I was slept here.
Oh, you slept here?
Yeah,
Ah,
with
this
all
is
of them.
Nice.
Yeah.
So they. How long have they lived here?
He married in 18 years ago.
18.
And yeah, 18. But before, it is in 60 years ago. The caves. That's,
Wow.
So what happens? I mean, do they just come and move in, or do they buy it? Or?
No, no. Before, it is depend to his mother.
Oh, I
his
see.
father.
Okay.
Yeah. And before, there was the Pashtun people living.
And
And in this place was the stove.
the stove.
Stove is
Okay.
Yeah, they put the
Jay's sitting
the
on
bread.
the stove.
cook the bread. Yeah.
Okay.
So they are poor people. They can't construct a new building like Kabul
Wow.
and other places like Bazaar. So they sit here and
So cute.
Ah.
they are busy with
Thank you.
agriculture land, just agriculture land.
Okay, guys. So you saw inside there. I think I showed. I'm losing track. My mind's swirling. I can't even believe that. That 7 people live in that one room. They go all year sometimes without having fruit or vegetables. Well, they have rice. They'll eat rice, eggs, no meat. So I think we're going to try and buy them some meat tomorrow. I wish we'd known this and we would have brought some meat for them today. But it's like, whoa. And they're not educated enough to know like when to stop having children. So that's a problem out here as well. They just keep having children and they have no money to support the children. I've never seen anywhere so primitive in my life. I don't think I have ever been anywhere like this. It's mind-blowing. And you would never think that people still live like this, but they do. Hello! Oh my goodness, it just came out there and look at the color of this. Unbelievable. Stunningly beautiful. Gosh. Okay. What is she cooking? Rice?
Yes, I'm cutting roasted.
Ah. Oh, okay, so she's had the rice soaking here. What's in here? Onions? Tomatoes? Wow. Wow. Salt?
Kör bitti bak hayırlı gel. Bitti yalan gider. Tamam mı? Kör bitti yalan gider. Yeah.
Oh, cooking here. What's in here?
This is we call tandoor.
Yeah. Oh, okay. The oven bread. Yes. So I just learned another thing here. This is the toilet. But this is a toilet for all the households here. They all share the same toilet. There's no water for a shower. They basically have nothing. They live off the land. That's it. Very difficult. I can't even imagine. Can you? Can you? I mean, we're so privileged. We have everything. And then you come here, talk about a humbling experience. Humbling doesn't even come close. What I've just seen. I can't even believe it. But look at the beautiful backdrop. It's stunning, and my mind is just saying so many. I've got sensory overload, I think, right now. Crazy. She's making wool from the sheep. She's spinning it into a ball, which I assume that then she'll make. Oh, wow. Okay. Wow, I've never seen this before. Wow, that's amazing. Wow. You speak English?
Yeah.
Yes. Where did you learn English? At school?
Yes.
Yes. Dodge through the bushes here and back to our clwchi. I'm surrounded by the men folks. I think the whole village came out. How old are you?
I'm 18 years old.
18?
Yes.
And you live in this village that we were just in? Yes? You live there? Yes. Here's the scene. I think the kids all came running down the hill, that one with his tire and stick. And now it's the revelation time of the chicken and potatoes. One potato. There's the tatties. Now the chicken. There's the chicken in the foil there. And here is my piece of chicken, my potato. Looks delicious. Oh, everybody around is eating potatoes. I'm peeling them, putting salt and pepper on. How you managing there, Jay?
Good. Tiny bit of it. I got the next.
Yep.
You did? So the chicken finally came out, and my hot potato, which is very hot, but it's got garlic. I have a chicken leg. Jay got the neck.
I got the neck.
I was just saying when I come around, as long as I don't get the neck. But it's very tasty. Just surrounded with everything. It's spicy a little bit. Very good. I'm going to have some potato now.
Yep.
I like clwchi.
Who did this clwchi for you guys?
You? No.
Tell me your name. My name.
Norwus.
My name is Norus.
Norwus.
Okay, good. Your guide.
Yes.
For sure.
I got a spicy bit. Thank you.
Welcome.
Okay, I don't know if you can see this or what the lighting's like, but I got my potato. Everybody's having their potatoes. Good potatoes.
Good potato.
Hot potatoes. Potatoes with salt
Pepper.
and pepper.
It's really good.
Really good.
It is a local.
Local cook.
Yep.
Yeah.
Natural cook.
Oh, ooh, okay. How do I get on it?
After dinner rituals.
Just jump?
Good.
I'm on a donkey.
You gonna go for a walk?
Wanna go for a walk? I feel like I'm a child at Blackpool.
Here she goes into the valley.